Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're at the Hux World and people, it's time to get back on the Monday grind. The weekend is officially over. Just remember, grind hard and it will be over with soon. Now, I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out by an awesome developer who is definitely up and coming, goes by the name of Bjork. And if you have not checked out his lineup, go check out his lineup. He has some decent watch faces for you all to have a look at. And with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick this review off. Now, the name of the watch face is called Bjork Mercury. I'm loving the layout. I do like the design of this one. He's getting 2 thumbs up in the door for creativity. And we're going to go ahead and have a look at this. First of all, in the always on mode, you're going to get a nice digital time, which is what we look for. We need time. Time is important. And when the watch face is on, I'm loving it. So what you get is you get the developer name at the top. You get the day of the week. You also get your step status info. Simply tap on it and you can go right into it to get more info. And of course, you get your heart rate over here. Same thing. You get your battery info at the top. Nice, big, bold, legible digital time for a guy like me. And you do get your shortcuts, many of them. These are your settings. So if you need to tweak your watch, you can. You can go in and get your weather. Also, my S health. Right, calories burned, you get your step info, sleep, and also I get my music, which I love. You guys know I love my music, and you get your stopwatches as well. I thought the developer did a really good job with this watch face, and on top of it all, people, on top of it all, it is battery efficient. Black-white mode is going to conserve battery so your watch can last longer. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now this one is not by Bjork. This one here is by GS Watch Faces. This guy is definitely lighting up the trail and he's bringing to you a holiday Halloween watch face, people, and Halloween is right down the road. This is this watch face is awesome. I love the creativity, the level of creativity on this watch face, and it is nice. Now, again, the name of the watch face is called GS Halloween Animated. Very nice look, like the design, very simple, but yet nice. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the Gear S3, the Gear Sport, and of course the Galaxy Watch. But for the Gear S2, it's going to look slightly different, but yet nice. Now, when the watch face is on, you're greeted with, of course, a nice animated pumpkin. You got the flame going on in the background. That's really nice. You got the day of the week, Sunday, October 21st. You get a nice, big, bold digital time, which isn't bad. And you also get your step percentage info over here and also your battery percentage and a PM stamp at that, which I love. Watch faces with PM stamps. Now, let's take a look at this pumpkin, people. So it is customizable, right? This is one face, so you get like 10 in all. This guy just threw it all in, and he does that, right? You double tap. We're gonna go through all of them. You can see which one you want to play for the week, right? You got 10 of them. Take you all the way through the week, all the way through Halloween. Let's go ahead and check them all out. I thought he did a real good job with this. This guy is definitely doing his thing with these watch faces. Look at this one. That one's crazy, people. We're going to go through all of them. I want you to see what you're going to be in for if and when you download this watch face. I'm telling you, my man is not playing with these watch faces, people. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.